Hello, my kiting friends. Today is the new kite day, and I got something in the mail, and I would like to share with you the experience. This is Frank. Frank is a kite from Canvas Kite Design, and this is specifically and available only at kite shops. There are currently 4 colorways available, plus a kite shop may choose to get their own colorway, and this is what we have here. We have Frank, we have a Surf City Special Frank. So Dave Shackman from the Kite Connection, you can get this from there. So let's see what it is. Super excited. And these, my kiting friends, is Frank. What a guy. Here it is, first flight. Winds are about 5 miles per hour, coming from the water. See? Right. Very good feedback. Very slow. We need a little adjustment and a little getting used to. There'll be a lot of fun with this kite. I first flown this kite at the LBI Kite Fest. And ever since then, I fell in love with it. This is going to be epic fun. I love this colorway.